Today I want to show you a quick intervallic trick or application that lets you replace your ordinary and generic chord progressions. Here is an example. First, let's create a simple musical idea that consists of a melody and a basic chord progression. Next, I replaced the chords and simply put a 6 or a 5 interval below the melody. And my only guideline was to avoid a 13 vertically. That is 13 chromatic steps between any of the tones. And since the 5 and 6 intervals sometimes create some wide gaps, I use some line movement to connect the dots, shown in red. And now let's bring back some musical context by bringing back root tones. But as you will see in purple, I use different root tones that now line up very nicely with the 5 and the 6 intervals that I picked in the previous step. And this now turned into my final sketch that we can orchestrate, and maybe it can sound something like this.